1 week, Susan earned $1,000, which consisted of base salary of $475 and a 7% commission on her sales. We are asking to find the amount of her sales for that week. First, we can let the amount of her sales as X, and since we know that the amount of money she earned in a week is consisted of base salary and her commission, then we can make an equation that 1,000 is equal to 475 plus 7% of X. And this is a linear equation, and we can subtract both sides with 475. And 1,000 minus 475 is equal to 525. And we can rewrite the percentage on the right side as a decimal, which is equal to 0.07. And to find X, we can divide both sides with 0.07. And 525 divided by 0.07 is equal to 7,500. So the amount of her sales in that week is equal to 7,500, which is D. And actually, to solve this problem, we can use another approach. That is, we use the given option in this problem. And we know that the amount of money that she earned in a week is consisted of her base salary and her commission. Then we can calculate her commission as 1,000 minus 475, which is equal to 525. So we know that her commission is 525, which is equal to 7% of her sales. So if 7% of her sales is 525, then her sales will be higher than that. It means that the options A and B, which is less than 100, cannot be the answer for this problem. And we are left with the option C and D. And we just need to check which one of C and D will give us 525 if we calculate 7% of it. And the option C, if we calculate 7% of 6,786, we can use calculator, and we get the result is 407.16. So the option C is not the answer, since the 7% of the option C is not 525. And for the option D, if we calculate 7% of 7,500, we get 525. So since we get the 7% of options D is the commission that we should get, then the option D is the answer for this problem. And we get the same result as our previously method. And sometimes using this approach is easier to solve the problems. So it's a good practice to identify which problem that we can use to solve using this type of approach.